The MaxiTPMS TS508 provides 4 easy methods of programming MX sensors. Turn on TS508 and choose Advanced Mode. Select the vehicle make, model, and year. Then select Program Sensor Function. There are 4 methods to program MX sensor: copy by OBD, copy by activation, copy by manual input, and auto-create. Copy by OBD. Connect TS508 to the vehicle by OBD2 cable and turn ignition on. Press Y to continue. TS508 will automatically read sensor IDs from the ECU and display the IDs on the screen. Place the MX sensor near the top of the TS508 and select one sensor ID. Press Y to copy the ECU sensor ID into the MX sensor. Copy by OBD, when available, is highly recommended as an efficient sensor programming method. No relearn is necessary when the MX sensor is put in the same replaced sensor position. Copy by activation. Place the TS508 near the original sensor to trigger and acquire the sensor ID. Place a new MX sensor near the top of the TS508 and press Y to start programming. The original sensor ID will be copied into the new MX sensor. Copy by manual input. You can also program the MX sensor by manually input the original OE sensor ID into the TPMS tool. This ID can be found on the OE sensor body. Enter the sensor ID into the tool. Press Yes to program the ID into the MX sensor. Hex, DEC, and Auto can be changed in Setting. Auto-Create. Auto-Create will generate a new ID randomly for an MX sensor. You can program from 1 to a maximum of 16 sensors at the same time. Put the sensors close to TS508. Keep other sensors away. The tool will automatically detect the sensor. Press Y to confirm. Each sensor will be programmed with a specific sensor ID. Relearn is necessary for auto-create. You may watch our TPMS relearn function video for further training. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please visit our website or simply contact us.